What does a paramedic do, and what are the most common scenarios you'd be called out for?
Yeah, so paramedic essentially is pre-hospital or out of hospital, so on the streets, medical care, emergency medical care. The word para means beyond, so it's like beyond a medic. It's that next level beyond that basic first aid kind of person. Originally, the founding of paramedicine was, if you go way back, is from World War I, so stretcher bearers, right? So people were like, okay, we need to have these medics carry stretchers, go get the soldiers on the front line, pull them back, and then you learnt some basic like nursing cares, first aid, put bandages, and that's where the whole enterprise of ambulance services comes from. It's obviously evolving and changing today with the demographics and more chronic disease. A lot of our work now is less emergency, actually. It's more about caring for the chronic pain. You know, we talk about suffering already, but you realise as a paramedic, you become a witness to suffering. Like, that's what your job is, and your job is to take away the pain and the suffering, or try and reduce it for every person. And that could be from mental health, which is like on the rise, and probably 40% of our calls now are some sort of mental health involvement, and that's that emotional pain that we're trying to reduce. And then it could be like to the car wreck, to the suicide patient, to any sort of trauma, gunshot wound, knife. It's everything, really. So that, one of the perks of the job is that you never know what you're going to go to when you turn up for work. But it's also the unknown is kind of like, oh, what are we going to see today? What are we going to prepare for? You might go from delivering a baby to then someone like a 90-year-old who's just passed away at a nursing home. So you're seeing both spectrums of reality of the world. You're seeing life coming into the world, and then you're seeing life leave it. And I think both is a great privilege. Like, it's a privilege to see and be there when someone takes their last breath. That's a real honour to be there and witness that.